What do you want to share? You're bored. You could be like the host of the show. YouTube now. What are you doing up there?
Trying to get the solar set up. Replacing the panels to see where they can go.
Alright.
Yeah.
Thank you for Craig from Crazy Family Adventure for solving our solar issue.
There's not enough room.
Well, hey, I'm just hanging around at the top of Goldie. We've got our new solar panels. Cool, chill day by the lake. Went supping this morning. The kids are playing. This is the RVing life that we love. And when I did my TRX band this morning, I'll show you that. So I have a TRX band that I hang off the back of the ladder when I've got space behind me that I can do my workouts. If you've never tried a TRX band before, it's a damn good workout, I tell you, it hurts, but very good for you, very efficient. We have our new generator, a noisy generator.
Power up, baby. It's a WEN, W-E-N 1100 watt dual fuel generator, as in runs off gasoline and propane, which is kind of handy.
Oh, propane as well.
Yeah, I can hook it up to propane bottle, so...
which is better, cheaper?
Well, the gasoline gets longer hours. A full tank of gasoline gets about 8.5 hours, where the propane gets about 6.5. So, but I haven't run it on propane yet, so it's going to be trial and error. See how we go, and it depends on the load that you pull inside, what you got powering up. Apparently, we've got to turn our water heater off. It's pulling a lot of amps, so go easy on hot water system. Just
I thought that was propane.
Just use cold water. Pulling quite a bit of draw, so we'll go easy on that. See the gauge now.
Hey guys, so we're at Horseshoe Bend, which is in Page, Arizona. You've probably seen it on Instagram. It's just as pretty as what you've seen it. We've come here at around 1 o'clock so that the whole area is in light. There's not really much shadow, but it's very green down there, and you can, I'm seeing boats go by, so I don't know how you can get on a boat to go around the bend, but it's just a horseshoe bend that the Colorado River has created. Craig and I went to one in Utah. It's very similar to this in Dead Horse State Park. I think I remember it being, and it was much smaller than this actually, and we were pretty much the only people there at sunset. It's not like that here. There's heaps of people here, but it's very, very pretty anyway. Worth coming to check out. I'm dying up here with how many people are going close to the edge. I just had to get a little boy and pulling back from the edge. It was super scary. Don't take any risks out there, guys. It's not worth it. What are you doing with the TRX band?
Mommy, stop.
This is Mummy's workout area.
Mommy, we want. Mommy, please.
What are you going to do with it? Muscles, Malia.
Let me try. Let me try.
The TRX band, it hurts. Yay! Got a sandstorm blowing up. Probably can't see it, but woo! Going all in my eyes, just standing at the doorway. Kids are in the tent. I get blown over.
You have to take some. Mommy! Take it. And then he's going to take that. This one's out.
What's the name of the game there, Savannah?
And then there's one. We take like exploding kittens.
Exploding kittens.
I won 2 times in a row. Yay, that was actually good game.
Because there were 3 in the same area.
That was fun. That was good.
We're staying in here for 24 hours.
44 hours now.
24.
Oh, you said 24. You said 44.
No, me
We get out 2 p.m. tomorrow.
No, me and Savannah are taking 42 hours.
No, you're not.
Are we?
That's 2 days.
How are you going to eat
48
and drink?
hours.
How are you going to eat and drink?
44 hours.
We have a minute to go out.
Oh, okay.
How about 2 minutes? Because
Woo! You kids are
Bye.
fun. Bye. Survivors, are you ready?
To eat the candy.
We went to that, so we should deserve lots of candy.
Looks like you got lots.
Do you want to trade these?
I'm not going to eat it all at once.
Well, you want to trade?
There it is, Survivor Island,
These 2
Lone Rock.
Starburst.
Gather round, everyone. We're attending a very special ceremony, the wedding of Savannah and Knox. Not sure how I feel about this, but we're going to show up and have a few words to Knox, make sure he's going to take care of Savannah properly. We're ready to go. Let's go join the ceremony.
I'm getting fake married.
How do you feel?
Fake. Because it's not a real wedding.
Are you nervous?
I'm not really getting
You
married.
look beautiful. Look at your bouquet. Show me your bouquet. Now listen, Mummy don't want you to get married till you're 30 at least, okay?
Meet the groom! Meet the groom!
Look at this handsome young man.
Whoa! This is a fake wedding, by the way. I'm not really getting married.
You certainly
And I
are
don't have a
not.
boyfriend.
We have a nervous groomsman in there. Ain't feeling Knox? You don't know what you're in for, buddy. Leah, you look beautiful.
You want some candy?
Oh,
Yeah. Oh, you lost your flowers. That's okay. Here she comes.
He just stole your boy. All right. Stand still. You gotta look at each other. Look at your wife. Look at your wife.
Smiling at her.
Okay, ready? We just hugged it. We are here today to marry Knox and Savannah. I don't know what else to say. Knox.
Knox, will you take?
Yeah, Knox. Will you take you as your lovely wedded wife?
Yes, lovely.
Say I do. You gotta say I do. Say I do.
I don't really.
Oh,
Say I do.
I do.
All right, Sam. Do you take Knox as your lovely wedded husband? Say I do. Okay. You mind? I pronounce you husband and wife. You may now hug the
Oh, Savannah's right. She's not shy. Never accept anything less than that, Savannah.
Taking her right to the tent.
Oh, boy.
I take that back.
Ho, ho, ho.
Dear Knox.
I know everyone can dance. Oh yeah. Okay, now we can dance with another mom.
That's a good 6 and 7-year-old dance.
That's a good one.
Get ready.
Wow.
Get your
what an
speaker.
event.
Get the speaker.
Congrats.
Yeah.
You need to do a dance party.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Dance party. Come on, you gotta dance with him. Dance with him.
Dance party. Show it. There you go.
Wait, first you do a
Oh, yeah. There you go.
Savannah.
jump on him.
Ah, the husband's ran away. Oh, she's got him.
You're running away from.
Get him.
Be nice, Malia. Be nice, Malia. Be nice.
Oh.
S'mores time. S'mores o'clock. Who's gonna make me one? Is that yummy?
Somebody can have one. Really good.
We've had a lovely couple of days staying boondocking. by this lake. We've had loads of things go wrong, so it's been time to repair the solar on the van, which we've done. Sort out how to manage our water better when we're boondocking, which we're getting a handle on. Oh, what else? We had a few other things fixed too, all thanks to Craig from Crazy Family Adventure, who helped us out because we don't know what we're doing. And the kids have had a blast playing together, so we've been able to catch up on work because they're happy and having fun, and we can relax and exercise. And this is the RV lifestyle that we love. And of course, we had that fantastic adventure through Antelope Canyon. You can see some of the photos because we weren't allowed to take video, and the beautiful Horseshoe Bend. So this is a lovely area. I'd love to stay more and do some hikes and go out to Rainbow Bridge and stuff, but we don't have time for that. We're always leaving something to come back to. And our next stop's going to be Monument Valley. So thank you very much for joining us here at Lake Powell in Utah on the border of Arizona. Please subscribe to our channel, follow us, our current adventures on Instagram and Facebook at My Travel Blog, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. What are you doing?
Drawing a book. I've been writing a book.
Oh, I can't wait. It's about stranded in a desert. Stranded in the desert.